First of all, let me address stacking the court. And I didn't hear about Glenn Beck coming about. This is how bad I am. You should be here.
He's really upset.
I didn't know until today. Here's the problem with even using the term stacking the court or that position. Stacking the court, and you think about it, just purge for your mind for a moment, our circumstance in our state. The only time you hear the term stacking court is if the party flips. In other words, the party in power is the Republican, and it flips to Democrat, and then the Democrats want to stack because the conservatives were installed under the Republican. There's no party flip. It's always been Republican.
That's a good point.
And I'm not saying it always will be Republican, but that is irritating because that's ignoring the elephant in the room. It was Cox that appointed 3 of them, and 3 of the 5 judges we have, he appointed 3, and he's asking for the expansion. So take that into consideration. It's not a Democrat governor. It's a Republican governor that appointed the 3 out of the 5, and now is asking to expand to 5 to 7. How was that? That doesn't fit into
You're right. Also brought up the point where are we the only or one of the only states?
I have no fines.
Everybody else has that. So
yeah.
Well, yeah. I'm just making the point that if you're going to use that narrative of stacking, the facts just don't fall there. Now, and additionally, there's another part that's important there, and that is that the same governor that appointed those 3. It's likely, I'm not guaranteeing anything, but it's likely the next governor will be a Republican. I mean, I'm just speaking reality. I'm not guaranteeing anything. I don't want anybody to be ruffled feathers by that. And it's likely the Senate will remain either close to a supermajority or majority. The governor will appoint them, and the Senate will confirm. The exact same makeup of the Senate that appointed that confirmed the last one, the exact same Republican Party that appointed the past ones. The system which would create that quote-unquote tax Supreme Court is the exact same conservative Republican system. Now, you can go back and say fault the system, say you appointed that's a different story. We're talking about is it PAC? And it just doesn't fit the definition.
Well, and